वेलकम बैक गाइस आज का हमारा टॉपिक है इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट एंड इट्स यूनिट। तो चलिए इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। प्रोसीड ऑफ द मोलर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ इट्स रिएक्टेंट्स रेज टू पावर इक्वल to their number of moles is balanced chemical equation of these reactions. Let us first discuss the forward reaction. A and B are the reactant. Their number of moles, equilibrium constant is the ratio of the products of concentration of products raised to the power of coefficient to the products of concentrations of reactants raised to the power of coefficient and expressed in the balanced chemical equations. It is conventional to write products as numerators and reactants as denominators. By knowing the balanced chemical equation for a reversible reaction, we can write the equilibrium expansion. First, we can calculate the number value of Kc by putting actual equilibrium concentration of the reactants and products onto equilibrium expansions. The value of Kc depends only on temperature. It does not depend on the internal concentration of the reaction and the product. A few problems have been solved to make concept clear. Kc has no unit in reaction with equal number of mole on both sides of the equation. It is become concentration unit cancel out of the expansion of Kc for the reaction. For reaction in which the number of moles of reactants and product are not equal in the balanced chemical equation. We of course have unit for the reaction when hydrogen react iodine 25 degree C from hydrogen iodide by the reversible reaction as follow. The equilibrium constant of H2 is equal to 0.05 mole Dm minus 3, I2 is equal to 0.6 mole Dm minus 3 and Hi is 0.49 mole Dm minus 3. Calculate the equilibrium constant of these reactions. Give equilibrium constant, write equilibrium constant. Now put equilibrium constant value in the equilibrium expansions for the formation of ammonia by Haber's proceed. Hydrogen and nitrogen react reversibility at 500 degrees C. The equilibrium concentration of these gas are nitrogen, hydrogen and ammonia. What is value of Kc? The equilibrium concentration are the equation. The equilibrium constant expansion for this reaction. Now put the equilibrium concentration value in the equilibrium expansions for the reaction between PCl3 and Cl2. From PCl5 equilibrium constant it is 0.13 mole minus 3 dm3 at the particular temperatures when the equilibrium concentration of PCl3 and Lc2 and 10.0 and 9.0 dm minus 3 respectively. What is equilibrium constant? PCl minus 5. Now write the balanced chemical equation and equilibrium constant expansions. Now the numerical of value of equilibrium constant of a chemical reactions as well as extent of the reaction can be predicted. Reaction of a reaction at a particular movement can be predicted by interesting the concentration of reactants and products at that particular movement. In the equilibrium expansion, consider the gasoline reaction of hydrogen iodine. We withdraw the sample from the reaction mixture and determine the concentration. Suppose concentration of compound the subtract with the concentration samples mean with the concentrations are measured are sometimes not necessary at equilibrium.